Okay guys, today I'm going on my first tour. I don't remember what kind of tour is it. It's some tour. Let me check what I need for my tour. I don't remember what tour is it. It's some tour. I'll tell you when I'm there. All right. But let's check the list and make sure I have everything that I need. Okay. Okay, I don't need anything for swimming today. Hot or cap? Hot or cap? Hat, check. Sunglasses, check. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes for walking. Check. What next? Biodegradable sunblock. That I don't have. But I got this one. This better work its magic. As a matter of fact, I probably just wear this because I don't have the biodegradable sunblock. I'm just gonna use these for my sleeve to cover my arms. It's kind of light, like really light. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. You don't see me in this a lot. Yeah, it's like a tiny little blazer. Money for souvenirs. Bag is here. Check. My mask is here. See, my man said, be kind, y'all. So, my clothes. So, everything is checked. All right? I'll see you guys when I get downstairs. I'm at the Costa. Okay, bye-bye for now. Check, check, check. 10 minutes to get out of here. Fit check. I should have get the black hat. It's in the bag. I don't have any more time, so I'm going with what's in my hand. See you guys. Quick fit check. Do I look comfortable? Yeah, I think so. Bye-bye. I know. Oh, remember, I'm going to use this to cover my hands because Mama don't have no expensive sunblock. Sunblock are too expensive. A little vitamin D is good for you, all right? Or else you got to take vitamin D pills. I ain't into that. I'm not into that. Now I'll go work. Now I'll go work. Sorry. After when we were in Jamaica, and sun I burn out my caca. After me not use a sunblock. So all of a sudden, sunblock. I'm there toner selling at the street. Eh? I'm there toner selling at the street. Black like whoa. People invest in one nice walking shoes. Remember what I tell you now? Come for go on tour. I want to know the place. I want to enjoy God's creation. Yeah. I saw the thing said. I want to mix and mingle with people like-minded. Just think about the kind of people that you want to hang out with. That kind of thing there, you hear? Woo-woo. So, see, a lot of people them just come for relax, not me. It's nice to relax, no lie. But what if a relaxation can go on a foreign? So when me there home, I relax. I just nyama get big and fat. So anyway, I reach at the spot. I can ask the people them what the tour name. Because I remember waiting in the morning, no see up on tour. Think of the bus this second. You see?
And that's the middle part of the day, so then you just
You see?
fill in before and after.
Let me tell you, I say. Only one of them is with master and them and I forgot my master be kind, I'm gonna be kind. But yeah, them are the kind of people I tour with today. Should have a big camera on my neck like that one day. One just pass with a big camera. Like I'm a big photographer. Look at me son of lizard, yeah? I now look for one to trouble me. Now look for one to trouble me. The man there looks like he have one bag of food. But it's the tour ain't along. Tomorrow tour is all day. Oh, they must have parked. Guys, our bus is here. Our bus is here. This is our bus? All right. Woo! Nice and cool. All right, guys. We're going on some tour. And the only black girl on the bus. I miss my sisters. Ooh, I miss my sisters. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, we are doing the botanical garden tour. That's where we're going. I guess I'm gonna see butterflies, parakeet. Oh, I have to show you the entrance. So this is the gate. We just get to the gate. And I'll let you see. It's all bushes. Once you get out here, it's all bushes. Because I get here at night. So see, we say bushes, they say vegetation. So the vegetation is amazing. Can't ask for no more greenery, all right? I'm meeting people on the tour. So the couple behind me and the others far back, they are from the UK. Oops, I missed the sign. Diamante Adventure something garden. Oh, this is not far. This is right here. At the ocean. Oh, hey guys, wait, you're gonna see it. It's coming. Look at that view. Look at that. God is awesome. You see his handiwork? Okay, so when I come back, I have one more something to do. It's an animal sanctuary, botanical garden. And then I have zip lining for today. I go to kayaking today. One whole heap of stuff I do today. Don't ask me. And tomorrow is a full day again. On a lucky. What? I mean, some of them I can't do by myself. I'm not go up on the road, look on the monkey them. Them tell me what time I can swim and what time. But in. I'm in, baby. If I go home, if I go back to the hotel and I feel all my pain, I just take an ibuprofen. So, here we are. Yes, on the bus stop. I hear them say something I get feed in 5 minutes. I don't know why I get feed. So me with my notes I say if I come to see how I get feed, so I can't show no why I get feed. I'm gonna show you guys what's getting feed. I don't know yet what it is. Okay? I can't see the people them around me. What are people there with me? Just come at the front. I'm the only black one there. So let's see who I will get feed in 5 minutes. A jaguar. Where's your brother? Wow. So here we are.
León, tigre, jaguar.
You see that jaguar pacing back and forth,
El jaguar y los panteras
trying to catch my black buck? You
son
see?
el mismo felino. Se llama pantera onca al jaguar y a la pantera. ¿Por qué son el mismo felino?
Ay,
Son
jaguar.
iguales, solo que uno tiene marcas.
Ay,
Chicos,
jaguar.
otros no tienen. ¿Por qué? Eso se debe a la melanina.
Ay, jaguar.
A la melanina.
The one that I brush him. I know way more work than you know. There's some more that over this, so. Okay, you guys are my favorite, but I got places to be. I'll see. Oh, them two you saw scratch out backside. You could have won the hang out asleep. The same hang on. And asleep. Too warm, I guess. Oh, all by himself, gray fox. Crocodile. Crocodile in big soft. So this is the crocodile. Big and rusty. Guys, this is the closest you're gonna get me to a snake. You see him? Now Earth can run if you ever hear how loud the monkey is. You see the snake? Oh hell no. The battery dead already. Hear the bird them. Reptile. Frog. No, it's not a frog, but a bird them there. Guys, the battery dead already. You know, I have to go back and get my battery. What's over there? Where's the butterflies? My battery's dying, but I have to take the butterflies. They are so pretty. I'm in the butterfly garden. Most of the butterfly them pitch, you hear me? Oh, see some butterfly over here. Look. See them? They are so pretty. They're like blue. I want to see if I can catch one. Come on, my finger. Come on. Come on, my finger. How do I get him to come on my finger?
Sweet or no? Your fingers are sweet?
Gotta be. Come here.
Esa es la Blue Morpho, le dice, o la azul. Ah, este es una mariposa azul que ya murió.
¿Cuánto dura? ¿Cuánto viven?
Depende de la especie o clima. Pueden durar horas.